Hi! In front of me is CAT S40 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by locating calendar and tapping on it. So sorry, misclick. Come on. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner a couple times and select Got It. Now you need to tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Then click on this red icon at the bottom right corner and select Event. Over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, go back, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, invite people, change color, take notes, and even set up a location. You can also pick starting hour or ending one. You can also turn off this feature completely though by tapping on the switcher next to all day. When you're done, click save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully added. You can delete it completely by clicking on it, clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then confirm your choice by clicking on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!